One more way of preparing an artificial magnet is passing current through a conductor. Now what is a conductor? A conductor is a metal. When current is passed through it, it allows all the electrons to easily pass through it. That is called as a conductor. Maximum all the metals acts as conductor. The best conductors are copper, iron, aluminium, etc. Now here let us see when current is passed through a conductor, how does it acts like a magnet, or how can we see the presence of magnetism in this conductor. We have taken a pin. This pin acts as a conductor here. The ends of the pin are connected to the battery with the help of copper wire. Now current is passing into this pin. If we bring the compass needle near the magnet, near the pin, then the compass needle shows deflection here. If you take it to the other end of the pin, then also the needle shows deflection. What does it mean? When does a compass needle shows deflection? A compass shows deflection only when there is a presence of magnetic field around it. So the deflection in the compass shows that when current is passed into this conductor, a magnetic field is created around this conductor. See here, we can see the deflection in the needle around this conductor at any point. There are different types of conductors. A straight conductor, it can be a circular conductor, or it can be a loop conductor. Now let us see when current is passed through different types of conductor, what is the pattern of the magnetic field which is formed around the conductor. Now here magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor, a straight conductor. A straight conducting wire, a thick wire is taken and it is passed at the center through the center of a cardboard. The ends of the copper wire are connected to a variable resistance, that is a rheostat, an ammeter, plug key and a battery current supply. When current is passed through this conductor behaves like a magnet. To check whether the conductor behaves like a magnet, let us take some iron filings and sprinkle on the cardboard. When we tap the cardboard, the iron filings will arrange in concentric circles around the conductor here. This shows that this conductor is converted into a temporary magnet. When the current is switched off, then this conductor loses its magnetic property. So these are temporary magnets. They are called as temporary magnets. If B is taken as magnetic field and I is taken as current which is passing through this conductor, then B is directly proportional to I. It means that when we increase the flow of current into the conductor, then automatically the magnetic field also increases. B is inversely proportional to the radius. What radius it is? Radius is the radius of the magnetic field lines from the center of the conductor here. So as the magnetic field moves away from the conductor, as this radius increases, the magnetic field decreases. So the magnetic field is more at the first circle than at the second circle. So as the magnetic field lines move away from the center of the conductor, then the magnetic field decreases. So radius increases, magnetic field decreases. So radius of the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the magnetic field. When we combine both the relations, magnetic field is inversely proportional to the current passing through it, and it is inversely proportional to the radius of the magnetic field.